G'day guys, welcome back. So it's day 2 at Linga bike park. Today I'm giving my GoPro to my brother, Kade, and he'll be racing in the Dream Team event. So the Dream Team is where you get a group of your mates and you race and all the times are combined and the fastest time wins. So let's see how they go and enjoy the video.
So front or back though?
Back. I think it was from the Skywalker.
This one doesn't big.
I would have hit the big Skywalker, but it was close. You know, mate? and my bars got caught like that because they hit the frame. Couldn't get it off, so I was there and I was like bang bang, and then I got it off and I just sprinted and got back on.
When I dropped in, I didn't flip, forgot it was there.
That was so sick.
So slow.
Everyone's like, ew. I hit a turn bar on it, I over jumped it a bit. I think we've got a chance of winning. Or like coming on the podium. We'll be up. Woo!
Just be careful on that stage, it's a little bit slippery. Alrighty, big round of applause please for our men only under 15.